In this video, we're going to be creating an improvisation, and both hands are going to be working with block octaves. So here is an octave on A in the right hand. Left hand is also going to be on the A octave. They're going to be moving around in tandem with one another, D's, E's, C's. So you might think we don't have a whole lot of opportunity to do much with just octaves. But actually, it can be quite interesting. Up here. Slow it down. Now, maybe we sometimes have this and sometimes just a free, it goes back and forth between a melodic idea and then some sort of pulsation down here, and see all the E's are together, F's, G's, A. Etc. But you get the idea. There's actually a lot of opportunity just with simple octaves in both hands. Block one melodic, one more pulsing, back and forth, sort of call and response. We could do an echo. Maybe the left hand starts the idea. But you get the idea. There's actually quite a bit to be creative with very, very simple materials. Block octaves, both hands. See what you can make of it.